How to delete Facebook activity log all at once. Hey guys, welcome to the channel and let's get right into this quick and easy tutorial. Tap open your Facebook application in your mobile device. Make sure that you have logged in into your Facebook account. In here, to delete your Facebook activity, go ahead and tap on the three horizontal line at the top. From here, click on your profile. Next to edit profile, you will see three dot icon. Click on it. Tap on activity log. From here, head over to activity history. You will find all of your account activity history right over here. You can filter it out by tapping on the filters option, and you can filter it according to date as well. Now, if you are looking forward for a multiple selection and deletion, unfortunately, Facebook does not have the feature. In fact, what you can do is you can just tap on the three dot next to the post and tap on the delete button. Then again, select on delete. And that is how you'll be able to delete your Facebook activity log. That sums up the tutorial as well. Thank you so much for tuning in. We'll see you very soon.